Crystal and welcome back to my channel. Since the first time that we met, I did a very low-key glam look. It is so cold in New York City and today I said, you know what, let's do something fun, let's do something bronzy. I wanted to do a spring and summer inspired bronze goddess look. So without further ado, here we go. Okay guys, so for today's glam goddess look, I already went ahead and washed my face and moisturized and toned it. I also did my brows already. If anybody ever wanted to see an eyebrow tutorial, just comment below. So I'm gonna start off by just, of course, moisturizing my face. It's really important that you wash your hands before putting them on your face. So the first thing that I'm going to do is obviously put primer. So that was the Fenty Beauty Primer. I do tend to get very oily in my T-zone area, and then I'm kind of dry on the other parts of my face. I have combination skin. I really like the way this looks. After hours and hours, I feel that my face doesn't get as oily as it can with different primers that I've tried in the past. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer on. This is the Tarte Tape Shape Double Duty. This concealer is fabulous. I love the way that it covers without melting off on a really hot summer day or cracking off on a really cold day. To be honest with you, it covers you completely. You could probably even just go out like this and you wouldn't really need much. Today what I'm gonna use is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I use it in the wheat color. The only thing with this is that I noticed that when you put it on, it looks a little funny, but it does dry really, really beautifully. It looks a little funny. I don't know, it's something about the color. It takes a few minutes for it to set into your skin, and then it's beautiful and flawless. I'm gonna start my eyes. So I normally start with soft ochre. This is the MAC paint pot, and I love using this on my eyes. This neutralizes them so that when you do put on the shadow, you get a more true color. I'm going to be using a Morphe palette today, and it's the 35F. So for those of you that are familiar with Morphe, Morphe doesn't give each eyeshadow a name when it comes in the palette. I'll be showing on the screen exactly which colors I use for today's look. So I'm going to go ahead and put a transition color on my crease. And I'm not really going into the lid, because on the lid, I'm going to go ahead and put a more bronzy shimmery color. So now I'm gonna darken the edge of my crease. I actually did a combination of two colors. It's like a brown taupe with a more orange color. I am coming down a little bit now, but I'm still leaving that other area clear. I'm gonna go ahead and put a super bronzy goddess shimmery color right on my lid. so my eyeliner is on, my lashes are on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just put some highlight right under my brow bone, and this is really gonna make that bronzy, glowy look just pop. It makes it really dramatic, really beautiful and soft and glam goddessy. So to give it that extra pop, I'm just gonna go and put some highlight in my tear ducts. You only wanna do this if you're going out at night because it can be a bit much. I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't really do this too much. I only bake if it's gonna be a really, really long night. If I'm just gonna go out or if it's a day look, I do use a translucent powder, but again, only in the areas that I get super oily. I love to use the Kat Von D contour. I also use the Kat Von D brush. I use this every single day. I just think it's so practical because it's double-sided. I go in with these two darker shades and I kind of dip my brush in both just to get that nice color. I go into that darker color and I just go right underneath my chin. It shadows it and makes it look like you lost 10 pounds. Blending, blending, blending. That is your friend. You never want to have really, really harsh lines because it does not look right. You want to make sure that if you put too much color on your face, you're just blending that out as much as possible. Nobody wants to see harsh lines on your face. So normally when it's just an everyday work look, I wouldn't contour my nose with this tool. But when I am going out and I want to have that real thin dimension on my nose, so what I do is I dip my brush into the lightest color in the palette. You don't want to go into the dark color or that medium color. You definitely want to do the lighter color because then it's not as harsh. Now we're gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Highlighter. It is fabulous. If you don't have it, you need it. I mean, seriously guys, look at this. Okay guys, so that was the full look. Make sure to comment below, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if there's any other looks that you want me to recreate for you. This is gonna be it for today. This is a beautiful goddess bronze look. All right guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.